Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Better Business. Focus Investing, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Better Business, start by visiting their official website. Look for the registration or sign up option prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on the registration link to proceed. You will be directed to a new page with a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets their security requirements. Make sure to confirm your password by entering it a second time. Next, provide details about your business, such as its name and type. Indicate your business location, including the city and state. Enter your business phone number for verification purposes. You may need to provide additional information about your business structure, such as whether it's a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Once all information is filled out, review your entries for accuracy. After verifying your details, submit the registration form. You will then receive a confirmation email with a verification link. Check your email inbox and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once activated, log back into your Better Business account using your email and password. Now, navigate to the dashboard to complete your business profile. Fill out essential information like your business description, services offered, and hours of operation. Upload any necessary documents, such as business licenses or permits. Review the guidelines for posting any promotional content. Once your profile is complete, make sure to submit it for review. Wait for Better Business to approve your registration and profile submission. After approval, your business will be listed on their platform. Keep your profile updated with any changes to your business information. Engage with clients through the platform and respond to inquiries promptly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.